You won't find another slide like this one on the market. KAV independent design and development patents through synchronous dual structure 3-stage linkage. It means all that 3 sections enter and exit simultaneously, without one section being faster than the other one. Low noisy, smooth draw operation, and no wobbling. The steel uses its national standard environmentally friendly galvanized steel sheet, purchasing from China's top 3 steel mills. The gear and ball bearings are all Japanese materials. This location determines smoothly and durable. All other plastic parts and lubricants are environmentally friendly. You can rest assured that it can be installed in wardrobe or cabinets. The plastic parts are made of transparent, hardened plastic. Ordinary plastic cracks easily upon impact, but this won't. It's not easily cracked or broken when put or stretched to impact. In short, more durable. The package uses a layer design with a 5-layer high-hardness craft paper, laminated white carbon box. Why we invest so heavily in packaging? Because we want to ensure that don't break during transit. 2D handles and 3D handles are available. Opening and closing circles 15,000. Weight capacity 14 kilograms. This 2 number means if you normally use them, you won't need to worry for 10 years. Patent, C, material, imported part from Japan, packaging, PVC coated rubbers, and 15,000 opening and closing circles. I'm Chili from KAV. Thank you for your reading this far and follow me. See you next time.